Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part two. I should have really included this, didn't take any time, but I took the time to fill in the colors, and I'm not perfect. But if you remember, we drew everything in a red hairline, and then we go, we want a black hairline. So if you just select it all, there's no lines in the colors, and make them all black, and then you can go down here and actually change the thickness. I'm working with his file, which is millimeters, and if you move this out of the way, you can actually see it happen in real time. That's pretty good. But the real main reason for the video is instead of taking the time, and if you wanted the lines to be gray like in the original picture, you'd have to fill in all these lines. Well, instead of doing that, and I have no idea how printing works, but if you remember, we have a 14 by 14 square, so we're going to make another one. My ratio is locked, so we'll make it 14. And then just color it in with a gray, actually take away the outline, and hit P, go up to Object, Order, back a page, and now everything that's not a color is gray. I think I'm pretty dead on, and like I said in the first video, he's got some other lines from another pattern that are making some other shapes, and I might even play around with that because I kind of like that star in his pattern, but that's very easily done because all you have to add is, there's only 8 stars, so it's just this pattern right here duplicated. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.